Hey Matthew, this is Jeff once again with Zucker Marketing. Thank you so much for making time to talk with me earlier today. And as promised, here's your website analysis. So we'll be going over some few things that can actually help you rank higher, bring you more traffic, and of course, get you more customers. So let's start off with your website. You actually have a pretty good looking website. So you have your logo here, you have good photos, nice layout, good amount of content. You also have client testimonials. So there's actually just some few things we're going to get over for us to get you on top of the search list. One thing I can tell you right off the bat is that Google loves content. Google actually would like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage. And in addition to this, the more content you'll have, the more you'll look like an expert in Google's eyes. So of course, if you want to beat out the competition, you'd want to have 1,500 words or more. So let's go ahead and do a quick count just for us to see how many words you have on your homepage. All right, so currently you have 430 words, which is not a bad number. However, we're still quite behind with the goal of 1500 for us to actually be considered by Google as a trustworthy website. Another thing I would like to talk about are keywords. Google is actually looking for keywords, so it's looking for what the site should be found for. If you have the exact words listed multiple times on your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And of course, Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. So I actually did a quick search of the lawn care in the area you're servicing. We'll talk more about the results that we have here, starting off with the first one. So this is what we call the map pack. This is something wherein you really would like to be on since these are the one or this are the website that actually are generating a lot of traffic, a lot of attention, and are easier to find. One way for you to actually be here is you'll need to have Google My Business profile, wherein you'll enter as much information as possible, like the company name, phone number, email, company address, hours of operation, photos, so on and so forth. And also, if you add those same information in as many directories as possible, that will also help you a lot to appear in the map pack faster. Moving on to the next part, these are what we call the organic searches. So these are all the website that actually ranks higher without people paying for any ads, just because they're doing some certain things. And that's exactly where we're gonna analyze and talk about. So I pulled up one of your top competitors' website, and let's see what they have differently. So looking at their website, they also have a good looking website. They have their logo here. They have photos, nice layout, good amount of content. So let's go ahead and dig deeper with the numbers instead. This is Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that we're using for us to have some more information on the backend of your website. So let's go ahead and talk more about the numbers, starting off with DR. This would be the level of trust that Google has in your website, and UR would be the level of strength of your website. Backlinks, on the other hand, these are other website that refers to your website, so they're like shoutouts from different directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and alike. I also have your competitor's website here. We'll be comparing the numbers and we'll see what they actually have differently. And as you can see with DR and UR, they actually have more numbers, which means Google finds their website a more trustworthy website and a stronger website. The reason why that happened is because they have more backlinks and they have more keywords, which actually resulted to more traffic. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk more about backlinks and keywords, and let's discuss the importance of this too. Starting off with backlinks, or what we call the referring domains. So as you can see, these are all the directories they're currently listed on that actually brings them a lot of attention and a lot of traffic. That's why they're currently ranking higher in the searches. Next would be the organic keywords. So these are all the keywords they have listed on their website. So when customers search for these specific words, their website will show on top of the list. And if you also look at the numbers under volume, these are all the hits or clicks that they were getting with the help of each keyword. So that's actually how important in choosing the right keyword is. That way, more customers will be able to find your website um, easier and quicker, of course. Another thing I would like to share about keywords is what we call the hidden keywords. So let's use this photo as an example. If we save this photo and instead of naming it with a generic file name like this, you can actually save this photo as a hidden keyword and you can do the same thing with the other photos you have here. That way you'll have more keywords added to your website. And not only that, those keywords won't be repetitive as well. So just to wrap things up, the most important things that we can definitely do to improve your ranking would first be the amount of content, where we're going to add more words to your homepage. That way, Google will actually consider your website a more trustworthy website and a stronger website. Next would be the backlinks, where we're going to add your information to more directories as possible to actually bring you more traffic and to, of course, that way we can have you or have your website shown on the map packs as well. Last but not the least will be the keywords, wherein we're going to add more keywords to your website. And of course, we'll help you out in choosing the right ones. That way, more customers will be able to find your website faster and easier. So that's actually all that I have for now. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us or email us back so that we can actually tell you the next steps and the other things that we can do. Thank you so much for your time. You all have a wonderful day. Bye.